Hello everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos and let's get started. Today I'm going to share with you delicious pasta with meatball. And you always wonder that how to make a delicious recipe when you buy meatball from store and they already cooked. So I'm going to share with you today very easy and simple recipe. These are cooked Italian style beef meatball and I'm going to use 1 pound. It's a 1 pound pasta fettuccine. You can use any vegetable, bell pepper, capsicum or beans. I'm using carrot, half cup, sweet peas, half cup, 4 garlic cloves. These are jumbo cloves I cut into small pieces, 2 green chili, salt and black pepper 1 teaspoon each, creamy Alfredo pasta sauce, 2 jars. These are 15 ounce each, olive oil and parsley flakes. And let's get started. First we're going to prepare our pasta. Get a big pot and fill with the water and bring the water to boil. Bring pasta and salt. Stir it. As for the instructions, it says 12 minutes and we're going to let it boil. Cover the lid halfway so it won't boil out. Get a fry pan, start gas and keep the gas on high. Bring 1 tablespoon olive oil to make sure it's nicely coated. Bring garlic, mix it. We're going to cook the garlic for 30 seconds. We just need the garlicky flavor to go away. So this looks good. I'll bring green chili and we're going to mix it well. As you see, the garlic start turning brown. It does not take that long. Bring carrot, mix it, and sweet peas, mix it. Once it's nicely combined, bring black pepper, mix it well again. Bring meatball, mix it well. Once it's nicely mixed, I'm going to bring the gas to medium, spread it evenly, cover with the lid and cook it for 3 minutes. Cooking for 3 minutes on a medium gas. I'll open it, mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, now I'm going to bring creamy Alfredo pasta sauce. This is the second jar. Mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, spread it evenly, cover with the lid, and we're going to cook for 3 minutes. By the time, our pasta will be also ready. It's exactly 12 minutes, as the instructions said. They are nicely tender, and now I'm going to drain the water. So I'll take this one to our sink, use my colander, and we're going to drain it. The water is drained. It's been 3 minutes cooking with the closed lid. Mix it. This one looking delicious. Pasta is ready and I'll bring it and we're going to mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, I'll bring parsley flake and mix it well. This one looking super delicious. Cover with the lid and we're going to cook for 2 more minutes. Another 2 minutes of cooking with the closed lid on medium gas. I'm going to turn off the gas and I'll open it. Please make sure, just take the lid like this. Don't put the water inside. Wow, so creamy and delicious. It's very tasty. I have my serving platter ready and I'm going to dish out. This is very delicious recipe. Please try it and you're going to like it. Let me share with you. Our delicious pasta meatball recipe is ready and prior to serving, add some Parmesan cheese. It's a super tasty and super delicious and it's so easy to make and so quick. I hope you're going to like this dish. If you like it, like always, like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.